And this is just bonus video. I want to share the 4th class plan. So plan is like this: make a video of the third class, and the tasks are here. Delete without reload page. This task was from the previous plan, previous class, and actually within just 2 sessions, here maybe 2. Oh yes, I plan just to cover 1 hour. I start to make some hours also. So within 3 hours I covered that, and now it is actually done. Yes, and second task is shift to Laravel, and some links are given. Then study the PHP practitioner, then create nice design for my application, Live Planner web application, study refactoring UI, study Tailwind CSS for design. So these 3 are most important. Actually, first was finished, and the second, third are most important, and then 4, 5, 6 are also it would be nice to finish. So I made some pre-plan. This is my plan to finish all these things. And in fact, what do I have? First task was done in a proper time. Then shift to Laravel, I'm in the process. Study PHP practitioner, also in the process. Today is Saturday, and slowly I do this. Then, because it is already 4th class, I made a new folder here, homework 4, and here I study PHP practitioner. Every video of Jeffrey I see and make some examples also. Even information is quite familiar, but still there are some things that are interesting, and repetition is the source of remembering, or became a second nature. So I finished with the 9th class, and today just hope to finish the rest of the course, because Laravel setup is also there. Also I had done pre-setup of Laravel, and just want to show you how it was happen. I use Ubuntu LTE 20.4, and I guess this block is related to Laravel, and they ask to copy .env.example k to env file, but actually when I set up this through terminal, everything was done by the system itself. And now what is happening, I'm helping Alexander with making a course, and this is actually very interesting and inspiring for me, because I have nice opportunity to write even more code, and this is really great. And I want to share with you what confusion was I was found in a previous class. Okay, back up. Actually, at present my application is not perfect in case of authentication. What do I do in authentication? In previous video I was sharing that I didn't continue with a new user, because when I have 2 tables in my PHP MyAdmin, and maybe I want to share this with you also, because I like to share much, because whenever we share we became more in details in the field that we are studying. Okay, localhost PHP MyAdmin, link is here that I singing, and one more, go. Okay, today I don't use mouse, because in PHP practitioner Jeffrey, I think he also don't use, so that's for me a new field of development. So yes, life planner. So what is done here? I use one table for the users. Yes, this is my table for users, and password is created there also. I use a secure password that created in some special way. So here my users, and previous video we create this user vmv123, and I use the same, generally same password, but for easier. Then yes, but then what happened, I create more tables of each user, and that table contains different cards of the or different calculations. So all calculations had been saved here. So when we create a new or update, it's actually making here. But the thing is, when I start all this, when I done this authentication, I didn't finish it all. So when at present in my project, when I use a new user, if it's not here, he actually refers to, he don't, my program don't create the new one. So I just kept that not be done, but still I understand how it can be. Maybe later we'll finish. And what was my confusion? Confusion was related to this authentication with deleting. So let me see, backup. Yes, and I just want to share you how did I try many things to delete properly. So here also many different things for URL get, URL post. Yeah, I try to do everything with the URL post as I described to you. Yes, and here we do, I think this is old school and now nobody used that, but still this example was explained in the book. So we can make a request and new async request, and to make new async request we should try whether it is browser as Opera or Chrome, or it is maybe it is even older version of IE Internet Explorer, or even one more Internet Explorer. But Alexander said this is not actual things, we don't have to use that, so this code we don't need. And this also code, it became even more, we can make it even more easier, so we can check everything in 1 or 2 lines. That also had been done. And one interesting thing that I realized, that when we use a post method, suppose we have some form with method post, that when we apply to this form, the page will be reloaded. I didn't knew that, so that was a new information for me. Then I understood that I should send some parameters like this URL Google UK, and after PHP do some conversion, PHP will send me back something. Then I tried many tests, and maybe now even I cannot find once, but yes, this video is just to sharing. Yes, also it was a little bit interesting to study with clicks, how clicks are working. I became aware of on-click function. So when we this is very interesting on-click function. This is a little bit more with JavaScript. So this I want to share with you. And now everything was successfully covered, so now I am inspired more to coding, to reading, to studying, and to go further with the Jeffrey course of PHP practitioner. Thank you very much, and just keep forward. All the best to all of you for coding, for inspiration, and make your life better.